you've got mail. This is your beautiful mail collection. Now in here you've got all these amazing dies to make these mailboxes. So let's go ahead and show you how to make these. Now what they actually make are these beauties here. Absolutely gorgeous. Little gift card inside there, maybe. They really are the sweetest things ever, but so easy. As you can see on my board, this is all you need to make the main box, and then it's over to you how you want to decorate. You can use all the panels that come in the collection, or you can use just plain paper. It's entirely up to you. So let's have a look. First of all, we are going to need these two here, okay? So all we do is take a tape away, and we're going to place one over the top of the other one, aligning them up so they're all nice and tight. And that there is the front of your mailbox. Taking the back panel here, now there's two ways of doing this. You can either wrap your panel and adhere it on the back, or you can adhere it on the front. I personally like to adhere it on the front. I find I've got more positioning skill then. So take away our tape, and then all I do is place that one over the top like that, and then bring it all the way round to the other side. So bring it up and sandwich it on the back. So just use your fingers as alignments, hold it in and stick that one down. Okay, now to hide where you've joined, this is going to go on the inside. So all we do is we take our glue and we're just going to stick that one right inside, sliding it down, lining it up, and then everything is all in there nice and neat. Now the lid, this is your lid here, okay? You've got the little slit in there for your greeting card to go in. So all we do is we take that away and we turn it round, and we just align the top up to there. So I have to do it towards me, because what I do is I place it in, I get it level and just push it down. And you can see now that that is level with the front there. Bend your flap. We're going to put our base in. So let's just bend all those little edges. So let's put our base in, exactly the same. Align it up, side to side. Oh, let's take that bit of tape off there as well. Got to take that bit off. Slide the bottom in. Big tummies, yeah, they're brilliant for this. Hold it against your tummy. Place it in there. And then we can just get our hand inside, level that one up, stick all that one down. So now our base is in there, so nothing can fall out. We've then got this little bit here. Now this is your little locking mechanism, okay? So I've got high-tack tape on there so that we don't have to wait for it to dry. And all you do is bend on the score lines, fold it in half, and then you've got, oops, let's see if we can hold it up for you. We have got the little lock, okay? So you're just going to put a little bit of adhesive onto the back of there. And then this, if you place it through the little lock, first of all, open it up and then close your box, you're going to get the perfect positioning on your box for your lock to stick. Okay, so just hold it until that adhesive takes. Whoops, I can see where it is, look, so I can get my hand in more now. So let's just place that just in there. It's even little hearts embossed on the side of it. It's really, really pretty. So then that would be your lock that closes over the top. Decorate it as you want. Put your greeting card on there, and then that slides in and out of your little box. But as you can see in your collection, you've got all these amazing panels to be able to decorate in whatever colour you want, and I can't wait to see you.